everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 8 Anupam Social Science History Chapter 10 Changes in Arts, Painting and Architecture. Questions and answers. Exercises. I. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. 1. Whose album of engravings became most famous? A. Daniel Painters. B. Johann Zoffany. C. Tilly Kettle. D. George Willison. Answer A. Daniel Painters. 2. Name the painter who became known for history painting. A. Thomas Daniel. B. William Daniel. C. Johann Zoffany. D. Francis Hayman. Answer D. Francis Hayman. 3. Whose mythological pictures became very popular? A. Amrita Shergill. B. Raja Ravi Verma. C. Nandlal Bose. D. Abanindranath Tagore. Answer B. Raja Ravi Verma. 4. By which name is Victoria Terminus known at present? A. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak Terminus. C. Sardar Patel Terminus. D. Mahatma Gandhi Terminus. Answer A. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Thomas Daniel and his nephews were famous painters. 2. Johann Zoffany was the famous portrait painter who came from Europe. 3. Two European painters Tilly Kettle and George Willison painted the portrait of Nawab Muhammad Ali. 4. The painters living in the local villages of Kali Ghat were called Patuas. 5. The art form which tried to capture exactly what the eye saw is called portrait painting. 6. Paintings which depicted scenes from British imperial history and British victories are called history painting. 7. A group of nationalist artists in Bengal started gathering around Abanindranath Tagore. 8. Raja Ravi Verma was a great painter and sculptor. 9. Fort St. George is situated at Chennai. 3. Right, true or false? 1. Johann Zoffany was the most famous portrait painter coming from Europe. Answer true. 2. Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali defeated the British at Polilur. Answer false. 3. Scroll painters were also called Patua. Answer true. 4. Amrita Shergill depicted everyday life of the people in her paintings. Answer true. 5. Abanindranath Tagore was a nationalist painter. Answer true. IV. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. Mention any one characteristic of the paintings of Daniel painters. Answer I. They produced landscapes of Britain's newly conquered territories in India which were very attractive. E. Their large oil paintings on canvas were exhibited in Britain. 2. Give one reason why the European portrait painters came to India. Answer because in ancient period many Europeans came to India in search of profitable commission, so the painting of Europeans spread among the Indians and became popular. 3. Name 2 European painters who made the portrait of Nawab Muhammad Ali. Answer Tilly Kettle and George Willison were 2 European painters who made the portrait of Nawab Willison. 4. Which paintings came to be known as company paintings? Answer The local painters started producing images of festivals and processions, traders and crafts and monuments which were known as company paintings. 5. Name some of the buildings made by the British in India. Answer The Gateway of India, the Town Hall, the General Post Office, the Madras High Court, Rashtrapati. V. Answer the following questions. 1. Mention briefly the main styles of the paintings of the colonial period. Answer The Kalighat artists created scroll paintings. A. Paintings made on a long roll of paper. Influenced by imperial art, the artists began using shading techniques to give figures of a three-dimensional feel. After the 1840s, the Kalighat paintings evolved and focused more on political and social life under the British. 2. Write a short note on Kalighat paintings. Answer Characterized by bright colors and bold outlines, Kalighat painting evolved as a unique genre of Indian painting in 19th century Kolkata, formerly Calcutta, in West Bengal. From the depiction of gods and other mythological characters, these paintings developed over time to reflect a variety of themes. 3. What did the painters mainly want to depict in the pictures made during the colonial period? Explain. Answer. Such paintings were used as tools to showcase the British as invincible and all-powerful. The scenes were highly dramatized in such paintings, and British soldiers were shown as destroying everything which represented India. 4. Why did the scroll painters and Kumhars come to Kalighat? Why did they start developing a new style of art? Answer. Before the 19th century, The village Patuas and Kumas had worked on mythological themes and produced images of gods and goddesses. With the rapid changes coming in social values, tastes, norms and customs, Kalighat artists responded by painting social and political themes. 5. Why the paintings of Raja Ravi Varma began to be called paintings with nationalist fervor. Answer: Raja Ravi Varma painted from Indian mythology. The characters from these mythologies had a pan-India appeal. Hence Ravi Varma's paintings can be seen as national. 6. Name the prominent buildings built during the colonial period. Answer: Buildings built during the British period are India Gate, New Delhi; Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi; the Parliament House, Delhi; Gateway of India, Mumbai; and Victoria Memorial, Kolkata. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share with friends.